Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Komal and today I'm gonna share this requested braid video. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, take a small strand from the front and divide it into three parts. Now cross the left strand over the middle strand and then cross the right strand over the middle strand. Now add a small section from the front and cross it over the middle. Now I'm doing this French braid, so I'm adding section from both the sides. So if you don't understand how to do it, try to make a simple braid first on your half hair, and by practicing regularly, you will find how easy is this to create. Once your braid is done, pull out each and every section to make it messier or bigger. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I have mentioned my ID on the screen, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.